In figure Q51, 5 to 5, in figure 5.21, block 2 is moving to the right. There is no friction between the floor and block 2, but there is a friction force between blocks 1 and 2. In which direction is the kinetic friction force on block 1? On block 2, explain. Here in this numerical, the block 2 is moving towards right, and there is no friction between the block 2 and the floor. Okay, so as the block 2 is moving towards right, the friction force on the block 1 is towards left. This is just simple. Am I right? Because the block 2 is moving this side, this direction, and then for the block 1, the friction force will be in the opposite direction. This is known to you. Am I right? So on the kinetic friction on block 1 is, for the answer for this question is towards left. Okay, and then on block 2, for block 2, what is happening here? The force is, this is a perfect example for the Newton's third law. That means action reaction forces. Okay, because the block 1 is experiencing a friction force towards left, the block 2 will experience an equal amount of force, but opposite in direction. That means towards right. So on block 2, towards right. That's it. Okay, if you recall the Newton's third law, that means because the force on block 1 is experiencing towards left, obviously the force must be towards right, because these are the action reaction forces. Okay, nothing beyond that. The first thing you can give the answer, no, for the first block, because as the block 2 is moving towards right, the friction is obviously towards left. So that is an immediate answer. But only for block 2 you have a problem. But that is, if you recall the Newton's third law, that means action reaction forces, as the friction is acting towards left, so the other force is the reaction forces towards right. That is the friction experienced by the block 2. That's it. Okay, hope this helps. Thank you. Bye bye.